rough videos.
Hey, my ILS students, let's take a deep breath in. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. This week, I sent home your week 19 packet, and in that packet you had pom-poms and buttons. So the pom-poms and the buttons and everything we're going to use again during Art Week, but right now we're going to use these as what we call manipulatives for our touch math activities. So the first thing we're going to talk about is when you look at your Monday, first put the calendar where it belongs, but then you'll see you have touch math. What I want to talk about today is how we can use these manipulatives to help with the touch math comprehension. So one of the reasons I loved these buttons in particular was because you have large buttons and small buttons. So when you get to the touch math numbers that have more than one, see, that's after 6. So once you get to 6, you'll have ones that have the double digit, then, or the double dot, I should say. Then you can use the large and the small buttons to help. But right now we're just going to do this week's, and we're going to do the touch math using the purple buttons. So go ahead and grab out your purple buttons, and we're going to go through each day and just do one counting of each one. So Monday, you have 1. So what I want you to do is I want you to just get used to putting 1. And then you can trace it. So Miss Kelly would like to not have to write on it more than once. So what I would do is I'm going to slide it into the sheet. And you can see you have the opportunity to write your name. So you can write your name. Then you have 1. So you're going to do 1. Just like that. And then you have opportunities to practice your 1. You're just practicing with number 1. If you want, you can even do the 1 dot on each one. Just to work with that 1. It's just number 1. 1. Now you do the same with number 2. We're going to go to number 5, so we can go over that real quick like. But you can go through and do every day just practicing it. You can do it over and over again if you're using this wonderful sheet protector and your dry erase marker. Again, you can write your name. Practice writing the number 5. And use your manipulatives, your buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can practice writing the number 5. Now, if we're at a point where you need to be able to trace it, you can have the caregiver or adult do it in blue, and then you can go back over it in another color. So you're tracing. So whatever you need, this is a great opportunity to work with your fine motor skills and to practice getting to know your numbers a little bit better. And you're using your chance to focus on your counting. So it's great. Fine motor, numbers, and counting. I hope you guys enjoy this week working with our manipulatives and our touch math. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Rough videos.